my name is Petronella. I work at Adina in Copenhagen, Denmark, and I'm the maintenance manager there. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa, and we moved to Denmark in 2008. I miss South Africa, but at least I have the opportunity to go home once a year to get some vitamin D. But otherwise, Denmark is my new home, and I love it now, except for the weather. My responsibility at Adina is to ensure that all repairs gets done and just make sure that everything is up and running and the building is still standing. What I like most working at Adina is my job is very exciting. Not one day is ever the same, so it's always new exciting things. And the colleagues that we work with is amazing. Teamwork is very important, and at Adina we work together as a team. Being the only woman in the company doing this type of job, I feel quite proud and I love it. I have two things on my bucket list. The first is to do Route 66 in America, and secondly, I would love to do the Northern Lights. So hopefully next year I'll be able to do one of the ticks of my bucket list.